welcome to my channel. I know, I have not made any videos. I have only made shorts. So today we are going to play don't press the button for. Oh my god, I jumped. Why did I jump? Okay. So it has some funny moments, I guess. Let's see this from the wheel. As you can see, oh, it got an update. Now 3% chance on what? What is this? Pyth roar. Oh my. What just happened? Oh, it was just that. Grab the more strings. Where is the rings? Oh yeah. Eh, yes. Yes. No. Many just other people got. Let's see. Chat. Oh my god, I didn't join. Oh, let me press the button. Huh? Oh, I have pressed the button. Look. Oh, that's good. I was not in the center. Gap day shape asked for. Where is pink circle? No, there. Oh, bright red. Dark lime. Yes. We are chilling, guys. We are chilling. Let's be like heroes. The glasses from the forehead goes on the eyes. Okay, enough. Bro, is bro lagging or something? Wait, let me prank. Yes. Oh, okay, banana. Oh, no. I shouldn't be that. That's why. That's still be senpai. When will this round end? Oh, it ended. Let me press that button. Watch out of snowballs. Where is it? Oh, the red mark. Yes, I have pressed the button. Hey, let me in. Let me be up. Oh, I also have that. What? What happened to my cage? Oh, excuse me. Look at my face. Like, bro, what is that? Watch out of mommy. Mommy, I'm sorry. I'm watching phone. Mommy. Oh, mommy, I'm sorry. Help me. Help. I'm not only one. There are other people also. I know. Oh, okay. I survived. Well, vacation. No, I want. Oh, shit. Yes. Chilling. But, oh. Okay, that was kind of nasty. Beach ball. Can we grab beach balls? Nah. Okay. No. What is it? Oh. Okay, I slept. Get ready. Oh no, I am not ready for this. No, not at all. Oh my god. This is so random. Oh, just look. It was so random. It was so random, bro. Let me press that button, please. Move! Watch out! Ah! Why press the button? Not me. Why? Let me. Okay. Okay. Score equal to 1 point. Ah, yes. Just land it big. Shoot, 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 shoot. Deep, deep, deep. Oh my god. Go. Yes. Yay. Oh. Oh, that was close. Jump over lasers. Where are the lasers? Oh, here. There. They are. I died, bro. Just ignore that, okay? You never seen that. You never saw that, okay? Nah. I don't like this one. I want that bridge or parkour ones. I like that. Not this one. Oh, okay, I'm dead. Okay. This will be our last round. Find and cut. Oh, I'm good at this, I guess. Where are you? X, where are you? You want to play some hide and seek? I told you I'm good at this. Let's just see who we want. You really know this. There we go. Oh, I want that egg. Where is? Where are my eggs? Okay, let me just focus a little bit because it is the last round for our this video. Okay, I made this a short video because I don't feel like this will be. This will be a good video to watch for you guys. I don't know what I'm saying. Yes, I told you, right? I told you. Oh, okay. That's for today's video.